Okay, you see I started like egg boxes. I use the plastic ones because I just scoop them up with a spoon and replant them. And see, I got some of these this starter kit. I forgot what it's called. I'll put the name. I got these at Home Hardware in our neighborhood. And then when they get to like this size or a little bigger, they say when they have at least 3-4 leaf, you transplant them. So this is 2 tomato plant, or 3 I transplanted. See, this is red peppers coming here. They're not all big enough. This is lavender. Which one is this? This is a pepper too. Cilantro. See, more tomatoes. When I transplanted the tomatoes, they got big so fast, but you have to keep putting them in bigger pots, especially if you're going to keep them in a pot. A lot of my tomatoes I'll keep in pot. That's pepper. This is a green onion I just planted like a few days ago from the little stalk, and I'll plant some more. A carrot is in here. It just hasn't come up yet. That's another pepper. See, more tomatoes. These are all in my south facing window. See where you see all that snow. I think it's lavender. I didn't mark it, but I don't know what it is. And I planted right in there. Those little ones that I show you there, that's like chives and what's the one on the end? Oh, non-GMO tomato seeds that I got from Amazon, and chives and dill. So they are really like that. I'll put them in pots soon too. But pretty much everything, that's sweet basil. Everything that I planted is growing, right? More sweet basil. But I start in little like this. I start like this in this, or the clear egg box. Those ones I scoop out. I just started this in, this is the Scotch bonnet pepper. I just started this April 12th. See, they're already popping up. And I put holes in the bottom of everything. Like I put holes in these. These all have either drainage or holes. These ones, when I water them, they just stay on the plastic. This is a lavender I bought from Food Basic. It's not growing at all, so I'm going to use my own lavender seed. This was like a grow kit that didn't do anything. It's in a nice clay pot, but it's not doing anything. I'll put my own lavender seeds in there. I had to put the lavender seeds in the freezer for about 3 days before I plant them. But pretty much I dry all my seeds after the season is over, and I plant everything. More cilantro here. So they're just coming up. I planted them April 12th, but see, they're coming up already. And I use these like tomato things because they have holes in the bottom. I wash out all my chicken trays. They have, or veggie trays, it doesn't matter what it is, you know, styrofoam plates to catch water if you have stuff. I recycled pretty much most of everything. The only thing I bought were these coco ones, and I think it came with like, I don't know if it's 40 or 50, because all these tomato plants that I showed you before have them underneath, but I find they're better than just the cardboard ones, so they hold up better. So I was telling you about the Scotch bonnet. My I think I missed that part of the video. My daughter-in-law gave me the actual pepper, and I just cut it in like 3 or 4, and I just plant it in the soil. You know, I get my soil real ready. I mix up everything like compost. I do so much things. I buy sheep manure, I buy cow manure, I do the peat, black soil, you name it. And I buy like just regular gardening soil too, and I mix it in a bucket, in a Lowe's bucket outside, and that's how I make all these little pots and all these little things. That's the first thing I do. So it's a good way to get going. Okay, like cut up the pepper and actually put the pepper pieces in. So hope this helped you. But this is me getting started. I was gonna put like, see, I have onions here that start growing in my pantry. I was gonna put those out in my bins, but I changed my mind, thank goodness. But they're gonna stay here and grow for a bit, so they'll be fine when I put them in the bins. Yeah, too much snow. I don't know if you can see outside, but that's 3 of my bins right there. Hopefully you can see them. They're all covered still, but I have them with all the good stuff, and I turn it over. I put egg, banana peel that I cut up into little pieces. Everything is going right now. So when the season start, this is all going outside. Some is going into my sunroom, especially the herbs. I'm putting them in like clay pots here, which I'm painting. So they're gonna go outside soon. Hope this help you.